How to make video smaller on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Compress application on your phone. Compression applications are used to reduce the file size of data, which serves to save disk space, speed up file transfers over networks, make files easier to share, and reduce storage costs. Once you're here, tap on Select Videos to compress. Then, choose the video you want to compress from here. After that, tap on Next at the top right corner. Here, you can edit and manage the frame rate and video dimensions. Drag the frame rate button to lower it. The lower the frame rate, the less storage it takes. Once you're done, tap on Compress below. You have now successfully compressed this video. As you can see, you have saved up a lot of space by compressing this video. Following these steps, you can easily make videos smaller on iPhone.